Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Excel is installed and signed into. This unlocks OneDrive and templates. Once done, open the app and tap the plus to create a blank workbook or choose a template. Make sure to allow storage access so files save locally and sync. Use landscape mode for easier cell selection. Connect to Wi-Fi if your file is large. That's the quick entry point so you can begin editing immediately. You'll enter data by tapping cells and using the on-screen keyboard or formula bar for complex inputs. This ensures clarity and fewer mistakes. Once data is in, format numbers as currency, percent, or date to keep values consistent. Use autofill handles to extend patterns and copy/paste to reuse calculations. For formulas, start with equals and choose functions from the Insert Function menu. This reduces errors and speeds up work as the sheet grows. You'll finish by saving to OneDrive so changes sync across devices. Use Save As to export an XLSX or PDF for distribution. When sharing, set view or edit permissions to control access and send the link by email or chat. If something goes wrong, try clearing the app cache, updating Excel from the Play Store, and reopening the file from OneDrive. That resolves most crashes and sync conflicts. If needed, revert to an earlier version in OneDrive version history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.